guys, Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and it is What Is It Wednesday. It's where I give you some hints about a kitchen tool and a food item. You guess, and if you guess right, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, you guys ready for your kitchen tool hints? Okay, this is something that you would use to scoop. This is something that usually has a handle. Have you guessed what it is? This is something that usually has a little lever to press. Any guesses? This is usually something you would use to get ice cream out of the ice cream container. I'm sure you've guessed now. Yes, you are right. It is an ice cream scooper. It usually has a lever that has a little bar in here that pulls the ice cream out. A few things. One is you can use these to measure perfect size cupcakes. So you just scoop the batter out and then press it down. Now, also a little trick is go ahead and warm up some water before you scoop out some really frozen ice cream, because that water against the metal actually softens the ice cream a little bit easier, makes it a little bit easier. Make sure you dry this really well and wash it before you use it the next time. All right, that was our ice cream scooper. Okay, you ready for the food hint? Now this is something you might not have in your kitchen pantry, but it might be something you might buy around the holiday time. So that's one of your hints. Second hint is you can find this ingredient from trees. Third hint is it has the consistency of honey. Have you guessed what it is yet? Fourth hint is back in the old days, they used to pour this on pancakes, biscuits, toast. Not used as much anymore, but back in the old days, that's what they did with this. And another hint that you might not know is they use this ingredient to make brown sugar. Do you know what it is? Last hint is these are so good to make with gingerbread cookies. Have you guessed? You are right. It is molasses, and molasses comes from a tree where they just basically get the molasses out of it. It's got a very strong, sweet smell. It is so good. You can use it for making cookies and breads and all kinds of things, but you can actually just pour it on toast or pancakes. It's got a delicious flavor to it, especially during the holidays. I hope you pick some of this up and enjoy it. Okay, that was all we had today, and we will see you next time.